We've just received some breaking news, and this one is coming from Maharashtra. The BJP, some good news finally for the BJP. They winning Palghar seat by a margin of 29,000 votes. This was a contest that was fought by all of the major political parties. You had the BJP, the Shiv Sena, who were contesting against each other for this particular seat. You also had the Shiv Sena and the Congress, but the BJP emerging as the winner, winning big in Palghar by a margin of 29,000 votes. Okay, let me go straight across now to India Today's Mayuresh. Mayuresh, and this was a bitterly fought contest between the two allies, the BJP and the Shiv Sena, but the BJP emerging on the top and winning by a margin of a very impressive number of 29,000 votes.
Yes, finally some good news for BJP, as we saw that how they lost Kairana and other constituency, including the Gondia. But now here in Palghar, they have won with a 29,000 margin. From round one, it was expected that BJP will take a lead. But if you see, as compared to last year, the voting percentage they have received, it has declined. But yes, in politics, as we say, or in election, as we say, win is a win. So we can say that some good news for BJP has emerged from Maharashtra and especially from Palghar, where they have emerged as a winner.
Absolutely. But what is the significance of this win for the BJP? What does it mean for the alliance? You know, what does it mean for its relationship with the Shiv Sena? And also, what can one expect? Do you think that this win, in a way, would add further strain to the already tested relationship between both the allies? Because the Shiv Sena fought a very aggressive campaign against the BJP for this particular seat.
See, particularly Shiv Sena was contesting for the first time from this particular Lok Sabha constituency, that is Palghar, because earlier they were partners. So this seat was always with the BJP. But after the national convention of Shiv Sena openly declared that they are not going to have an alliance with BJP, and after that they contested this first election. So it was a litmus test for both the parties. And now we can say that till yesterday, when Nitin Gadkari was in Mumbai to celebrate the 4 year of Modi government, that time also he said that they want Shiv Sena as an alliance partner, but now we have to wait and watch what BJP says, because now they have emerged as a winner. They have already defeated their old alliance partner, or we can say that still alliance partner in power, that is Shiv Sena. So now we have to wait and watch that what exactly stands BJP takes.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.